Okay, there are so many I mean, it's been open about a year. The statistics you've talked about 3,000 registered users, about 1,200 overdoses. Um, an interesting question before the break from a caller. Why are there so many overdoses if it's supervised injecting? How does that happen?
So people bring in what they want to inject into the facility, and so it's an illegal product. The vast majority, so 98% of people are overdosing on heroin, and so we don't control the amount that people inject, nor the purity of what they're injecting. It's an illicit substance. But the reason there's so many overdoses is because there's so many injections. So we've had more than 60,000 injections in the facility, and so that's about a 1 in 60 of those have resulted in an overdose.
But don't you ask or look at before they inject what they're injecting?
We have to make sure that people aren't bringing in a trafficable quantity of drugs into the facility, but there's no checking what that is. We don't test everybody to see if it's heroin or something else when people come in the door. We're just providing a space where people can inject in a medical supervised way, and we can respond to any problems that occur.
Number of residents have indicated a number of of problems. First and foremost, you were telling us something before. I mean, do you regularly consult with the residents yourself?
We had a series of consultations with residents before the room opened. I've been to certainly the first two of the local consultations that were held in the pub across the road. Often I talk to residents. Some residents email me, and I'm generally available for consultation. I draw a line when the forum becomes a kind of just a place where people to kind of vent hate speech and say they're going to shoot other people. I don't engage in those kind of
And has that
debates.
happened?
Look, the second consultation kind of was verging in that direction, yes. So, but I think by and large, many people have views on what to do about the issues of drug injection in Richmond, and I'm happy to engage in a constructive dialogue around that about how the health facility that we have can contribute to the solutions.